Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another testing out of a Pinterest recipe, and the recipe for today is cheese puffs. And it's kind of exciting because this recipe is not only keto, but it is also gluten-free, which is my very first gluten-free video that I've ever done on this channel. So let's go ahead and start this recipe. First things first is you're going to be needing a 1/4 cup of grated cheddar cheese, followed by a 1/4 cup of mozzarella cheese. And I'm just gonna put this in this 1/2 cup. I just did 1/2 and 1/2 of each. I'm sure it's close enough. And then I'm gonna add that all to my bowl, followed by a 1/4 cup of almond flour, which is really just really finely ground almonds, but it's a good substitute in a lot of flour dishes. So we're gonna add that, and I'm going to follow it up with 1 egg, as well as a 1/4 teaspoon, sorry, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and then give it all a mix. And honestly, after this part, I looked at my recipe and thought, this looks like absolutely nothing. This made such a small amount, so I just went ahead, doubled the recipe, and in the future I would just quadruple the recipe, because even doubling the recipe, it made a couple, but I would have been more than happy having more than what it made. So once done with the batter, I set it aside, and then I got myself a pan, and I'm going to go ahead and just line it with a sheet of parchment paper, and then I'm just going to do about 2 knee-sized dollops of the batter, and I'm going to give them about 1 inch apart, just simply because that's how much batter I had, and it had enough room for it to be apart. But knowing this, in the future I will make sure they're all 1 inch apart like I have here, because they do end up spreading in the end. So I'm just going to go ahead, place it in my oven. I have it preheated to 400 degrees, and it's going to go for 10 minutes. And look how much it spreads. Like, these do not look like little cheese puffs. These look like little English muffins in the size that they are. But these honestly came out so good. Like, I think these would be like a great substitute for bread. Certainly not a substitute for a cracker, because it was nothing like a cracker, and it ended up spreading so much and getting so much larger once baked. But yeah, they had a really eggy texture on the inside. It almost tasted like an egg and cheese breakfast sandwich. But yeah, I hope you guys like this recipe. It's great if you are gluten-free. It's great if you are keto. And honestly, these tasted great. This is like one amazing Pinterest recipe, and I'll leave it linked below for you guys. And until next time, guys, bye!